Welcome to the next lesson of this SEO course. In today's video, we are going to talk about search intent. In SEO, there is one important secret. Just targeting a keyword is not enough. If you do not understand the user's intent, your content will struggle to rank. In simple words, Google does not only look at keywords, it tries to understand what the user actually wants. So let's understand what search intent is and why it is so important in SEO. What is search intent? Search intent means what the user actually wants when they search on Google. Let's look at a simple example. If someone searches best laptops for students, their intent is to compare options and make a decision. But if someone searches how to clean a laptop keyboard, their intent is to learn how to solve a problem. The keywords may look similar, but the user's intention is completely different. That is why Google shows different types of results for different searches. Now the question is, why is search intent so important for SEO? The reason is simple. Google's main goal is to give users the most relevant and helpful result. If your content matches the user's intent, Google is more likely to rank it higher. But if your content does not match the intent, ranking becomes very difficult. For example, if someone searches buy iPhone 15 online and your article is about history of the iPhone, Google will not rank that page because the intent does not match. 4 types of search intent. In SEO, there are generally 4 main types of search intent. 1. Informational intent. This happens when the user wants to learn something or get information. Examples: how to learn SEO, what is digital marketing, how to lose weight fast. For these searches, blog posts, guides, and tutorials work best. 2. Navigational intent. In this case, the user wants to visit a specific website or brand. Examples: YouTube login, Facebook homepage, Amazon official website. Here the user already knows where they want to go. 3. Commercial investigation. Here the user is comparing products or services, but has not made the final decision yet. Examples: best laptops under $1,000, iPhone versus Samsung comparison, best SEO tools 2025. For these searches, comparison articles and review blogs perform very well. 4. Transactional intent. This is the strongest intent, when the user is ready to buy or take action. Examples: buy Nike running shoes, order pizza online, buy SEO course. For these keywords, product pages and landing pages work best. Now the question is, how can we identify search intent? The easiest method is very simple. Search your keyword on Google and analyze the top 5 results. If the results are mostly blog articles, informational intent, product pages, transactional intent, comparison posts, commercial intent, Google is already telling you what users are looking for. Let's look at a real example. Keyword: best running shoes. When you search this on Google, you will see results like top 10 running shoes lists, review articles, comparison guides. This means users want to explore and compare options. So if you only create a single product page, ranking will be much harder. Let's do a quick recap. Search intent means the real goal behind a user's search. There are 4 main types: informational, learning information; navigational, visiting a specific website; commercial, comparing products; transactional, buying or taking action. If your content matches the search intent, your chances of ranking increase significantly. So remember this important rule in SEO. Right keyword plus right search intent equals higher rankings. In the next lesson, we will understand SERP, Search Engine Result Page, how it really works. So I will see you in the next lesson.